In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install extension on Google Chrome. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a trusted extension and get it running in just a couple of clicks. Start with Google Chrome open on your computer. Look to the top right corner of the window for the three-dot menu. This is Chrome's main menu. Click it to open a list of tools and settings. From there, move your mouse over the extensions option. A small side menu will appear. Click Visit Chrome Web Store to open the official marketplace for Chrome extensions. Using the store helps ensure what you install has been reviewed and comes from a verified source. Once the store loads, you'll see a search bar near the top middle of the page. Click into it and type Page Shadow. We're using Page Shadow as our example today, but the process is identical for any extension you want. Press Enter to see the results. On the Results page, look for Page Shadow. You should see an Add to Chrome button next to it. Before you click, it's a good habit to glance at the publisher name, star rating, and the number of users. These details help you confirm you're getting the correct, reputable extension. When you're ready, click Add to Chrome. A confirmation prompt will appear summarizing the permissions the extension needs. This is normal and helps you make an informed choice. If everything looks good, select Add Extension in the prompt. Chrome will begin downloading and installing the extension automatically. Depending on your internet connection, this usually takes just a few seconds. While it installs, you may notice a brief notification indicating the extension was added. When the installation completes, the Page Shadow icon will appear beside the address bar at the top of the browser. That icon tells you the extension is ready to use. If it takes a moment to show up, don't worry. Chrome might still be finishing up in the background. If the download seems to stall, make sure your connection is stable and that you're signed into a profile with permission to add extensions, especially if you're on a work or school device. That's all there is to it. You opened the Chrome menu, visited the Chrome Web Store, searched for Page Shadow, added it to Chrome, confirmed the prompt, and waited for the icon to appear. You can repeat these exact steps for any other extension you want to try. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly installed extension.